Hi, I'm Taylor Fraser with the Daavlin Technical Service Team. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a lamp from a 1 Series unit. The first step in removing a lamp from a 1 Series is taking off this outer case. To do that, we want to remove 4 screws, 2 on each side. I've already removed 3, so I'll take out this last screw by turning it counterclockwise. Now, to remove the case, we want to lift up gently, and it should slide right off. Now that the lamps are exposed, you'll see 4 clear clips. What we want to do is lift up the bottom of the clip, and it should pull right out. To remove the lamp, we want to press this red button while pulling at the base of the lamp. This is easier while the unit's lying down. Now we'll take the new lamp and we'll find the 4 prongs. And we'll line it up with the 4 slots by the lamp socket. Press down and you'll hear a click. We'll take the clip, put that back on, you'll hear a click. Now we can take the outer shell, slide that right over the units. And we'll go ahead and screw the screws back in. And now the unit's ready to use. I would like to thank you for watching today's video on removing a lamp from a 1 Series. I would encourage you to watch our other instructional videos that we've made available to you. If you have any further questions regarding the 1 Series, please feel free to contact one of our Daavlin Technical Service Team members either by phone or email. Thank you.